Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Teletia. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can doing a sum of two number in Java. So guys, if you are new in my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you are like this video, then click on like button. So guys, I am using here Visual Studio Code for Java programming. So I am going to start Visual Studio Code and here opening a new folder. So I have made a folder in a D drive and its folder name is tutorial. Here I am going to create new Java folder. So here I am going to make all tutorial video of Java in this folder. So here I am making a Java file and giving name to it is sum of two number dot Java. Here our Java file is successfully created. So I am going to start for a code. Here I am create a class, public class. You need to only give a class name of your file name. So I am copy the file name from here and paste it here. Here my class is successfully created and here I am writing a main function and a main class, public static void main. It is my main class. Here you need to write string args. Here I am going to write a code giving here integer data type I am using for taking a two number. Here my first variable name is a, second variable name is b, and c is using for storing the store the answer of the sum of two number. So here I am assigning a value to the our variable a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and I am going to add this number and printing that answer is equal to plus c. This is the code for doing a sum of two number. Here I am taking directly input of and value of this variable. In the next video I am showing you how you can take input from user for this variable. So I am going to run this code, run Java. This is running. Here our answer is printed. Here our answer is 30. So if you are want to do subtraction, then you can change the symbol and doing this, run Java, it is our answer. Then you can perform any task, arithmetic task here, division, multiplication, anything. I am going to show you doing multiplication here, 600. So guys, today only this in this video. In next video I am discussing about how to you can take input from user and doing a sum of that inputs. So thanks for watching my video.